All right, in this project, I'm gonna build a 3-sided firewood storage structure, like a shed with an open front. It's gonna be breathable. It's gonna have a cool, funky design with some air ventilation built into the roof. And it is gonna be made out of 3 upcycled, recycled materials. One, all that wood from a deck I just demolished, disassembled. 2, I'm gonna use a bunch of pallets for the walls. Those are like intrinsically great because they're solid and they breathe. They've got a lot of gaps. And then the roof is gonna be steel, some old steel roofing that I've had around. I pulled off a shed years ago, and it's time to reuse it. All right, let's get started. So I just stripped out the old deck wood over here. It's gonna be right next to where the structure's built, and that way it can dry for a little while. It's got some moisture coming off that deck, and a bit of it's sort of on the rotten edge, so I still might filter some of that out. The pallet wood, on the other hand, is in the barn and nice and dry, so I will combine all the materials right here and then start putting it together. All right, that is it for this firewood storage shelter rick thingy bobber. I obviously need some more wood. I've barely got one layer back here. It looks like these bays are gonna fill with three rows of firewood stacked, whatever this is, 4 or 5 feet high. So I gotta get busy, get some more wood. I'm gonna end this video just by giving you like a walk around in case there's anything you missed. There are definitely a lot of ways to build a structure like this. From just, you know, throwing some roofing over your existing piles to building something really gourmet with store-bought materials. The nice thing about this one for me is that it didn't cost me a dime. Got to reuse a bunch of stuff, and it snowed the last couple days, and the firewood area stayed nice and dry, so that's good. Anyway, here's your walk around. You've got these so-called piers under here, and that's taking the load of the structure. There are 3 of those in the back also. You can see the pallets on the side, a roof line, fascia board, so to speak. Roof line's got a little wobble to it, kind of like that. And let's go around back. Here's a good look at the asymmetrical roof line, designed to kind of shed the elements as the wind blows here from the west. And this roof extends about a foot out on this side, just to get the drips and everything coming down. Obviously no gutter or anything to speak of. If you need some extra blocks, let me know. I've got a couple. All right, that's it. Thanks for checking it out.